This comes in for temperature settings. I have a graphics card like AMD. Let me tell you something, whether you just installed Mr. Graphics card or had it set up before, overall when you install AMD software, you press Alt and R. That brings up the screen in AMD software so that we can adjust the settings. This is for temperature settings, meaning in performance inside tuning. Okay, so here you can see your device's temperature, you see your fan speed. What's the fan speed now? It's 0. Why? Because to reduce the noise when the fans are quieter. By default, its global tuning is like this. For example, it's off. Now, for example, it has made some settings for at what temperature the fan should speed up and rotate. For software that demands heavy processing, the power consumption is high. Like games, like software where you do rendering, Photoshop, Premiere, After Effects, and anything else. What do? Here you add a game. You set up a game profile. You come here and it automatically identifies the software in which the graphics card is used. You come here, for example, I add it on the right. Look, this is the default. What do? You go to custom. Then the fan speed data is here. You enable fan tuning, you enable advanced control, you max out the power consumption. Now look here. Down here is the temperature, here is the fan speed percentage. Okay, press it to open. Here you can arrange it better. For example, what's the lowest fan rotation percentage? I'll set it to 35 for 30 degrees here. Sir, for example, when the temperature reaches 50 degrees, we set the fan speed to 52%. For instance, it reaches 63 degrees. At what percentage do we set it? Sir, we set it to 70% at 76. Let me make this 75. Sir, we make this 90. It shouldn't go any higher. If the temperature is 80, the fan should operate at 100%. I hope your graphic card holds up. I installed the 17th of Bahman, but it didn't work. I don't know, I installed Asus, but it didn't respond. I noticed that AMD itself didn't have Farsi. I said I would create it myself. I went somewhere and the guy was explaining in English. I thought, let me make it myself so it could be useful for kids who need it in Farsi. So what do here? You apply. What's this here? We come and customize each one the way you like, the way we say, even on what name. Have a build, have temperature. For example, I say for the RX 580, the maximum temperature is 80, and after that it should be performing 100%. Let me tell you something, guys, the software you configure, their temperature percentage jumps. Don't keep coming here and erasing the temperature percentage. Your memory is empty. Buyout. This spam is mixed up, but we come here. Look at the configuration, it's Adobe. These are the configurations of Windows software. Just erase this, it jumps. Okay, sir, don't do this. Go empty your downloads, clear your desktop, and if you have extra software, remove it with an uninstaller. Clear things this way. Don't go, I don't know, to CMD or I don't know. Start from run and such. Emptying randomly, then you see, oh, you hit a bug. Oh, I don't know, my Windows crashed, something happened, my software configuration is gone. Don't touch this. I said I'll put its tutorial here for you. Those who found it useful can be comfortable now. If you hadn't found something in Persian, thank you for watching.